Hi guys, let me tell you how I see the fitness world in 5 to 10 years. This is, in my personal opinion, very important when I do an investment into a company. How the world will change, especially in the industry that makes this company a very big buy, because I'm very picky about the investments. I sometimes make just one or maybe sometimes zero investments per year. If there's no good 10x opportunities or that can make your money 10 times that value from the initial investment, I don't invest, okay? So let me tell you that I see the trend that more and more people making sport at home. They use content from their favorite influencer, they order their products, they are really, using the home as the new gym. And also at the gym, you need always someone to keep you motivated. Sometimes it's a friend, right? But I think that the content is very, very important. And I think it got even a huge push with the lockdowns, with the health crisis, that people will make more sport at home. And what is better than having the hardware? A pretty damn good hardware plus the content in one product that makes you addictive. Well, this is Peloton, and I think that I will really invest into this company, and why that is and when I invest, all about this here in this vlog. So why it is that I want to buy Peloton at 85 or below? I will tell you exactly why, and therefore let's have a look into the chart. First of all, you need to understand that, I'm not a super technical trader or investor, but you can see, that pretty much at 80 or 84, 82 is a pretty good resistance. So I'm thinking that if the stock goes a little bit back, it's pretty much the 85 mark where the front runners of this resistance can jump in, and maybe we don't see 80 or 82 or whatever. So I think 85 is something nice, and you might be already with me a subscriber for a longer time. Then you know that my motto is, if you like a stock, then buy now. So why I don't buy now? Well, actually, I spend already my monthly 10% of portfolio cash on new stocks, and the new cash coming in will be there end of October. So end of October, I will decide, if Peloton is at 85, but I'm also super willing to go into the stock at 100. I mean, this is the difference between people who try to time the market perfectly, which is basically impossible, or people that just think, I know that this stock will be at 300 or 400 in a couple of years, and therefore, if you buy at 85 or 100, does it really matter? I don't think so. Even we had the same situation with space. You remember I said 14 would be ideal to buy, and then the stock dropped from 20 I think to 18, 16, 17, and I just bought at 15 or 16 because I said in the long run, where I have my focus, it doesn't matter, right? So this is important to understand, that it's not like necessary to pick up Peloton at 85, because if sometimes there's the case that it goes even lower, right? And the next resistance would be somewhere around the $70 or $65. So I would just add up my position to reduce the average. And all in all, what a company, right? What a ride. The last 3 months were absolutely insane with 74%. And if you are just looking into the overall picture since March, since the very lows, then we had a 260% gain. But again, this stock can go much more further. And if you want to know exactly when I'm buying and why I'm buying at this price and much more, then consider to be part of much more than just a viewer. If you want to be part of our community, there is the join button below all the videos and live streams, where you can get access to the Discord chat if you choose the second tier, and the third tier gives you even one-on-one with me. So check it out and let me know if you are joining the Wolf Pack. The very first time when we spoke about Peloton and that it is a 10x opportunity from here, it was just a couple of days ago, and I shared it on my channel, but first obviously in my Discord chat with all my members, with our community. And I think that there was a few voices which I heard, and I want to address those because maybe this is also the thinking of 20, 30, 50 other viewers or members that makes you not buying into this opportunity. And I want to address this directly, okay? So first of all, the doubt that was out there was, hey, this stock went up already 200% and you are already too late. And, on Dump Money, the colleagues from YouTube, they talked about it as well. But think about what you're actually saying or thinking. This is your ego, okay? That is fighting with you because you think the stock went up 200%, that it cannot go, further up 200%. And this is so wrong, guys, okay? I experienced it a very, very hard way, and all my experience, all my thinking, all my thoughts, all my, way of life, I'm sharing here on this channel with you guys because I want you to become a much better investor than I am, I want to make you aware of all of this thinking that are absolutely wrong sometimes. For example, the Dump Money investment. You can say, okay, Dump Money talked about it earlier, they saw it earlier, but on the other side, they saw Tesla later. And just because they saw it later, they invested at $750 and me at $250, it doesn't make, them wrong that they invested later. Thanks God they invested, right? I mean, the stock is now at pre-split price around $2,000. So don't let your ego ever ruin an investment opportunity because this can be very, very expensive. And as I'm talking about the 10x opportunity from here, a 200 or $300 billion company as Peloton will increase the product portfolio and the user base and will have insane growth, especially in the winter months and the holiday seasons. I think that you will be wrong saying, this stock is already, so high, I'm not buying. And then you will see Peloton going to $200. And then you will see Peloton going to $300. And you will think, wow, now this is the end. And then you will see Peloton going to $500. You know where I'm getting at with this, okay? So I think you should be very, very thoughtful about your ego, okay? Your ego can be sometimes your biggest enemy in terms of buying into opportunities because the stock might went up and you think, it's too late. But if you have a really growth story, then it's never too late. I mean, look at companies like Amazon or Apple or other companies like Netflix, right? I mean, they keep on growing. It's never too late to invest in a beautiful business that keeps on innovating. This is obviously the most important part about the investment, that a company just get next level. But all in all, don't put yourself in those shoes that you say it's too expensive and later on you will be very, very sad. Peloton, in addition, has this unbelievable, insane growth. 172% the revenue jumped year over year. Just in a matter of months, this company changed to a total blockbuster stock because of the health crisis, and so many people are enjoying their Peloton now at home and joining the community, the content, the classes, the new high scores that they are doing on their bikes or treadmills. Now, I think that this is one of the most important reasons why you should look into a company. What is their growth like? Because think about it. Even though you might have an unprofitable company, if they are growing and having a healthy profit margin, or could have a healthy profit margin on their products, then you are pretty good established that the stock will be higher at some point, right? Because if they are just growing their sales, they can always, cut on costs, cut on people, and so on, and get profitable or have a better profit margin and improve, for example, their cash flow. So I think that this is one of the most important reasons why I like this company as much as I do. They're having also a huge cash position. And what is also very, very interesting is the fact that they are also profitable, guys, okay? And they can be hugely profitable if they not use the money for their investments. Obviously, they need to do, and they doing it because they want to launch new products, they want to, evolve their content. I think the content part is even super interesting because think about it, what could be possible, right? If they make some collaborations with some interesting influencers, right, that have their classes on Peloton bikes, this would bring their community into Peloton. So many opportunities for Peloton, and it's not just a bike with a screen, guys, okay? It's much more. It's the community, it's the moat that they are having already, being so long in the game, and advertised heavily as well. So many people knowing it already, people are using it, people talking about it when they are using it. So it's a pretty damn interesting thing, and I will stay tuned and I will update you if there's any news. And obviously my members in the Discord will know first, so check it out as well if you want to join the membership. So here in the conclusion of this video, I would like to give you first a huge thank you for all the support. You for sure like this video as well. This is highly appreciative. And if you are thinking about Peloton as an investment, I think it's a very, very interesting innovator in the fitness space and can have huge success. Think about the opportunities out there. International growth will just start, The best move that Netflix ever did was the international move, okay? So this can be a huge boost for the stock. Otherwise, I really want to tell you that, I have conviction in the stock. It's not the same conviction like Tesla or space, like Virgin Galactic, right? But it's definitely in the same range like Beyond Meat. Beyond Meat doubled since we invested here on this channel in Beyond Meat. This is obviously very good, and we are not even 1 year in, so it's a very perfect performance for this kind of investments. Still, I'm thinking that Beyond Meat is a 10x opportunity stock, as well as Peloton, as well as Tesla and Virgin Galactic. Okay, so I'm super pumped to go with you in this. Let me know in the comments. Join our community, guys, and let's talk about daily about your favorite stock. We have a Discord chat where we talk with other members and investors about the daily vlogs and companies that we are really loving here on this channel as a community. We have servers in our Discord chat with all of those different companies, so you can chat only about a specific company. I would love you to join, and I'm wishing you that you stay healthy and fit. Stay fit, guys.